Hey guys, it's James with AutOdometer, and today I wanted to show you the cleaning of this floor mat here, and I want to show you how you can take a floor mat to go from this to this with simple tools and products that can be found linked in the description. I'm not sure what this red stain is, but it kind of looks like possibly ketchup. So we're going to get that off here and make sure that this floor mat is looking as good as possible. The first thing you have to do is vacuum out all of the loose debris from the carpet. This is similar to any carpeted areas in the car as well as any cloth seats. So this procedure that I'm going to do is first you vacuum up all the loose particles, then you spray a cleaner or some type of high pH alkaline solution such as Super Clean, LA Totally Awesome, or any other cleaner that you can find. Then you agitate with a drill brush and then use a hot water extractor. This is simply the best method to be able to get perfectly clean carpets. Now some stains aren't going to come out, but this is the method that I just went over is pretty much the best method that you're going to find out there. You might be able to use a steam cleaner and get a few things that are really stuck to the carpets, but sometimes the steam cleaner can actually damage the carpet fibers if you're not careful. So we'll leave that up to the professionals. I have not tried the LA's Totally Awesome yet for carpet cleaning or floor mat cleaning, so I wanted to give it a go. Use it for other things, but it turned out to work pretty good. So I just used it straight from the bottle. I did no dilution at all. And this stuff is really cheap. You can go to any Dollar General or any type of dollar store and get LA's Totally Awesome. I'm not sure if Walmart holds it. I'm sure Amazon holds it as well. So once I doused the, half of the carpet, or about a third of the carpet, I wanted to lay down some water. Now I guess you could dilute the LA's Totally Awesome in another water bottle and just douse the carpet, and the idea is to get it really soaking wet. So during the carpet agitation with the drill brush, you make sure that you really push in the cleaner solution deep into the carpet fibers. You want to make sure you get all the stains out as possible. So I poured a little bit of water from my hot water extractor over top the area that I'm going to treat first, and then hit it up with a yellow drill brush. Now this carpet was a little bit dirtier than some of the carpets I've done before, so I stepped it up from the white drill brush to the yellow drill brush. I just wanted to get a little bit more action in there. The white drill brush is typically used for carpeted areas in your car. But I used the yellow, and as long as you aren't bearing down and holding it in one spot too long, it shouldn't cause any issues. And here we are with the final results. So I think it turned out really well. Let's go ahead and compare it with what it looked like beforehand. Here's what it looked like beforehand. You can tell that it looks matted down, and there's definitely some stains there, especially on the far right and the far left. And that ketchup stain came out pretty well. And here's what it looks like after again. So hopefully you guys were able to follow along with that simple method of spraying the cleaner, adding the water from the extractor, agitating with a drill brush, and then extracting out. Worked out pretty good. Hopefully you guys learned something and you enjoyed it in the process. If you guys want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and then also there's some more videos for you to watch. And as always, thanks for watching.